Good light on the road means safety. Philips halogen bulbs deliver outstanding quality and performance due to 4 key elements: filament, glass, gas composition, and coating. With our ultra-high precision filament design, you get a road-legal bulb and significantly brighter light. We're constantly improving our range, from standard OEM bulbs to high-performance bulbs, such as our latest halogen innovation, Racing Vision GT200. Compare Philips quartz glass to ordinary car bulbs. They have a higher resistance to thermal and pressure shock and feature unique UV protection. Philips Automotive Lighting has equipped their halogen bulbs with quartz glass since 1961 and continue to enhance it. Our latest development is Philips Diamond Precision Quartz Glass, enabling an even more focused beam for higher light output. Durability and performance in one. Philips car headlight bulbs feature specific compositions of noble gases such as halogen, krypton, and xenon. Noble gases improve the efficiency of the bulb through enhanced heat conductivity in larger molecules, slowing the evaporation of the filament. Halogen gas even redeposits evaporated tungsten back on the filament. Every range and bulb type has a specific formula tailored to its function. This ensures high performance and durability. Coating is just as important for styling as for bulb performance. Coating can enhance the color temperature to give a cooler look, provide more contrast for better visibility and reduced fatigue, and ensure that bulbs conform to road regulations. Tinted glass, homogeneous, partial or gradient coatings, and even screen printings. At Philips Automotive Lighting, we design dedicated coating techniques for different products in our portfolio. Trust an original equipment manufacturer. Ensure good lighting that meets or exceeds road regulations with Philips Automotive bulbs. Philips, driving the future of light with you.